This video will demonstrate how to add a tenancy if you're acting as a property owner. First, you need to go to Tenancies and press the option that says Add Tenancy. You can select the tenancy type and the unit that the tenant is occupying. The most important part at this stage of the tenancy is picking whether they're current, periodic, or any other one of the statuses. Just for reference, a current tenant has a fixed end date to their contract, whilst a periodic tenant is in their unit on a rolling contract. Therefore, if I select periodic, the end date is blocked out. I'll put the start date for this tenancy is the 1st of September, and I'll move on to the second screen, where I can select the rent frequency, the amount, and if there is a deposit. I can also choose bank accounts, deposit accounts, and default rent payment methods. I'll call my tenant Trevor Lewis, and as I'm acting as a property owner in this situation, I will use the recurring charge type direct rent. The description can be changed if needed, as can the amount, collection frequency, VAT code, and grace days and days in advance. Grace days, for reference, mean that if a tenant is consistently paying late for a permissible reason, you can add X number of grace days, and this will delay the charge showing as overdue. Days in advance is used for the opposite purpose, where a tenant is potentially paying early, in which case if you put, for example, 7 days in advance, the invoice will generate in zero 7 days early, although its due date will still be, in this situation, the 1st of the month. For the start collection date, this is the first time you want the invoice to generate within Arthur. Therefore, you can date this historically if you would like to add historic transactions. So for this example, I'll put the start collection date as the 1st of September. This final screen is for where you can add one-off charges, and in this situation I will just leave a deposit there. If you want, you can add any other number of charges, and if you need more than the default amount, you can just add another transaction. As you are acting as a property owner, you don't need to add any property owner recurring charges, as you are the property owner in this situation. You can then add the tenancy.